Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're drawing some French toast. All we're going to need is a black marker, brown, blue, and maybe a light brown crayon. I also use an extra little thin marker, but that's optional. Let's get started. I'm going to try to make this pretty straightforward here. All I'm going to do is draw a line, give it some space, draw another line that's just a little bit shorter, maybe. Well, like that. So this one's like a little bit lower. Okay, and then I'm going to kind of go from the middle. And I'm going to do like half of a heart. Go over, and I'm going to kind of go over the line and then come back. Just like that. And this one, go kind of over the line and come back. Just like that. Okay, now I think I need to make this line a little longer, and then I will connect them. Now the cool thing about bread, or French toast, is, like usual, none of these lines have to be straight. If you draw some wobbly lines, it's not a problem. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to make our French toast 3D. We're going to try to make it look a little 3D, right? So what I'm going to do, up here, I'm going to make a line that goes straight back, about that long. Now I'm going to make a line at the bottom that kind of goes the other direction. Just curves up slightly. And then here, where we have this little crease, I'm going to draw another line, just like that. Then I'm going to make this same shape back here. And just like that, you got some 3D French toast. Well, I guess it's just a piece of bread right now, but it's gonna be awesome. All right, thicken up these outside edges like we always do. Okie dokie. Pretty happy with that. Now, I've also got a little skinnier marker that I want to use to draw my face. So I'm going to draw two nice round circles. They're a little wild, it's alright. I'm going to draw some eyebrows because I love drawing eyebrows. Maybe these will be a little thicker. I guess I should have just used my thicker marker for that. Whatever. All good. Okay, now I'm going to give my little eyes some eyelashes. To do that, I just kind of curve it around. Just give it a little wisp. And draw the inside part of my eye. Same way I usually do. Kind of a big C and then a little C. Big C, little c, and fill that in. Alright, this is looking good. Now, I think I would like my French toast to have a nice smile. I always got to put in that little tooth, though. I think it's funny. Alright, now if you've ever had French toast, you know that you kind of get, well, like little marks where it gets cooked, right? So it's like little round sort of blotches and stuff like that. So I'm going to put some of those in, but I think I'm going to do it with the big marker so it's easier. If you have two markers, you could draw it with the thin one like that and then fill it in. That always works. Just doing it on the front part though. Think about the part that would hit the pan, right? The side wouldn't. The side's going to be just the one color. Just try to figure out like kind of a random pattern that feels good, kind of even, maybe a little bit. Whatever you want, really. Okay, pretty happy with that. So what I think I'm going to do is switch back here. Now, because it's French toast, I'm going to draw a little beret because it's French. Now beret is like a hat, right? It's soft, it's round, so it's going to kind of curve down here. Just going to come back around there. I'm going to end up filling in this big section right here. So that way it looks like it's sitting on top. Draw a little triangle, triangle. I'm going to go back to my big marker. It's a little button on the top, maybe. Little wrinkles. There. Which is now a French toast. Okay, so I think we're going to do is color our little toast. I'm going to use this blue for the beret. Fill that all in. Very good. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this nice dark brown, and that's what I'm going to use for this outside part of my bread. The crust is always a little darker. And what you can do also is just take this, go around this inside contour. All right, feels really bready. Finally, what I'm going to do is I've got a couple of crayons because I don't have a lighter brown. And I'm just going to kind of color in more spots. Go around the black towards the edge. I'm going to leave some white though too. I don't know if I'll use this orange one or if I'll just stick with the brown. We'll see here. Alrighty. I think our French toast is complete. Thanks everybody who followed along, and I will see you next time.